me get a pop when the beat goes.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Dom here, also known as DDC, but today we are going to be doing some coding. Well, what I have in front of me here is a bunch of code. But what does this code do? You'll soon find out. This is Discord code, so if you look at it, if you see this right here, that means we're going to be using the Discord.js library with the require. And then next thing we're going to do is define what bot is. And that bot is defined as new discord.client. And then it goes into saying, this is JavaScript, just so you know. Const, that's my ID. I'll have to blank that out. And then bot.login, my token. And I'm going to blur that out too. But, and now it goes into saying, when the bot is ready, log in the console, which is CMD for me, my username, which is Dominic Dom. And then I'm going to get rid of this line of code because it just resets my avatar to an image I don't want. So, and now, that's that. And now let's go on to say bot.on, and then if that's when the bot is on and it's saying, and I'm saying a message, and then the message is, oh well, first things first, I should explain. If the ID does not equal my ID, which is right here, this in line 5, line 7, and then line 14, and so on. Those all. So from line 14 and so on, in the bot.on message, what the if message.author.id, which means me, is in the author, and my ID for Discord does not equal my ID, it'll just close out. It won't say anything. But if the message.content equals help, then pipe equals help, it will say message.channel.send commands. \n, which is return line, and then time, list the time, \n, ping, and so on and so on. So, and then the next thing is bot.on.message, and then, because if the message equals this, if the message ID does not equal that, return, I have to put this in every single line of code. And then I have word wrap on. So every single line of code that starts at every single beginning of bot.on, you want to put that right here into the into the thing, into into the if statement. And then it goes on to say bot.on message, and the message again, the if ID, etc. And if the message equals, well, first of all, I gotta say this. Time, it will send back the date, which is the time zone, the time, the date, obviously. And then we've got ping, pong. The main purpose of ping is to see how fast your ping is, which the ping, all it does is basically say how good your internet connection to the server is. That's what I've always thought. Yeah, and that's what I'm pretty sure is true. But then it goes into saying, if that again, pong equal, and that will send ping. And then it goes on and on to where it goes into music videos. And then if it's pipe equals MFF, I can watch Alan Walker Faded 1 hour version. and then all I have to do is go into MFB, and then I can watch BF1 versus Call of Duty, that song in animation, and so on and so forth. So it's 117 lines of code to play 8 songs, and then 3 random commands. That's what I have for my self bot. Now, if you want to see more, just let me know in the comment section, and then I can show you how to create a Discord bot yourself, like a tutorial on it, and that would actually be kind of fun for me. So, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna see you next time, and I am going to give you another tutorial on how to, or make another tutorial, whether you want to see it or not. You don't really have to click on it, but so if you do, you'll see another tutorial on how, well, this video is not really a tutorial, it's more so on what I did to get 117 lines of code to make a Discord bot, self bot. And in the next video, I'll show you how to make a self bot for yourself. Goodbye.